everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you these amazing scratch and sniff stickers that were sent to me from Purple Ladybug. The set includes 45 sheets of stickers featuring a total of 15 different scents. Each scent is separately wrapped in its own sleeve to maintain freshness. Gently scratching or rubbing the stickers activates them, releasing their scent. The stickers come in a variety of themes, from fruity scents like strawberry, banana and pineapple to sweet treats like cotton candy and chocolate. The designs are super cute and colourful, and each scent smells really good. The stickers can be used as rewards, making them a thoughtful gift for teachers and parents. They're also great for crafts, decorating notebooks, scrapbooking and much more. Now I thought it'd be fun to show you how to make a quick craft with these stickers. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!